Is Simply Guitar really worth your time and money in 2026? You've probably seen ads promising you'll play songs in days, even if you've never touched a guitar before. But before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling Simply Guitar or promoting it. I'm giving you the honest truth so you can decide for yourself. Let's break down what it actually is, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. Simply Guitar is an app designed to teach you guitar step by step using your real instrument. You download it, plug in your guitar, or use your phone's mic, and it listens while you play. The program takes you through lessons on chords, strumming, timing, and even full songs. In 2026, it's more polished than ever. Clean interface, updated song catalog, and interactive feedback that actually hears what you're playing in real time. Beginners will appreciate the bite-sized lessons and the way it breaks complex skills into simple steps. You get guided practice for chords like G, C, and D, plus basics like tuning, rhythm, and simple riffs. However, it is subscription-based, and after the free trial, you're paying monthly. Some users report the early lessons feel a bit slow, and if you're already somewhat experienced, you might breeze through quickly. The app also pushes upgrades and add-ons pretty often, so be ready for that. So, what's the bottom line? If you're a complete beginner who struggles to stay motivated or doesn't want to commit to private lessons, Simply Guitar can be a solid way to get started. It's engaging, interactive, and less intimidating than picking up a book or YouTube playlist. But if you already know a few chords or you want deeper theory and advanced techniques, you'll probably outgrow it fast and still need supplemental lessons or a teacher. My recommendation? Try the free trial first. If you're genuinely learning and enjoying the process, then consider the paid plan. And if you want weekly honest reviews like this, hit subscribe, drop a comment with your guitar goals, and let me know what app or course you want reviewed next. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next video.